Well, hi there, it's Big Al again. What we're going to do tonight is cook up a little treat. Meringues. So, this is supposed to be the easy way to do it. I've never done it before, so if I stuff it up, hey, so be it. Now remember, what the guy told me was crack your eggs on the flat surface. Don't crack them. Oh, that worked. They did not break. Actually, I probably should have meant to put them. Now, the other thing I was told, use your hands. I've never ever been capable of separating egg whites from the yolks before. So a trick I was told is to pick them up in your hands and just go side to side. Holy guacamole. Didn't that work a treat? Okay, now my hands are all sticky. Might be an idea to wash them. That's the boring bit over and done with. Now this recipe is extremely simple. It's just the egg white. I've done the hard bit, the most complicated bit, and icing sugar. So I'll put in 3 to begin with. Now the recipe I looked at was just talking about doing it in ones, but I love my meringues. So a 2 ingredient delicacy. So what you've got to do is mix it until it's hard and doughy. So I probably need a fair bit more, won't I? And I'll just say that if next night shift D crew wants some of these, they better mix up a batch if they watch it enough and give me enough likes. Just like the Swedish chef. Crikey. Gonna take a bit more than I thought it would be. Maybe I should have just done the 1 egg. I've had this made for me before, but I've never actually done it myself. Go wild. Oh, yes. Mix it all in. I know, maybe it would have been better if I used my hands, but it looks like I'm starting to get somewhere. And it's starting to thicken up. It's still a long way to go. Crikey Mikey. Yeah. Need a binding arm to keep doing this. I see my friend Kirby would like it. He was grateful I haven't put him in the freezer. Yep, this is starting to look like it, eh? Yep, starting to get that really thicky flavour look in it. But I suppose the test will be in what happens once I do put it in the microwave. It's supposed to come down to a really thick paste. It's still a bit of work to go yet, eh? Next time I do this, I might be just doing one egg at a time. The icing sugar's cheap and eggs are cheap. It's just a matter of consuming. Yeah. See what happens now. Now, yeah, that's it. That's looking more like it, eh? You're also supposed to be able to store what you don't use in the fridge. Oh, yep. See how it's glugging up there? One more lot should do it. If it doesn't turn out, well, hey, it was entertaining watching me make a dick out of myself. Okay, so what I'll do now is, I don't know if that's right. I don't think it is actually. I think it probably needs still just a little bit more. But having said that, why the hell not try it? Yeah, it still sticks to the fingers a fair bit. Tastes good. In seconds. I'm pretty sure it needs to. Ooh, maybe it is. That. But I didn't need to put extra in. This is going to make shitloads if that worked. Well, I think it did, eh? Oh, okay. It was overcooked, that one, because probably it was too small. But you see, regardless, tasted freaking good. Try again. So you can see this, I don't think it's supposed to have that. So yeah, make it in batches of 1 egg. That's definitely got to be more the way to do it. done this time. Ooh. Okay. So, I worked out one mistake. Okay, remember, the plate gets hot. One mistake I made. Is spray the plate so it doesn't stick. So, doesn't get on my fingers too bad. Can I? Oh yeah, that's a bit better. Better consistency. Or I put it in a bowl this time. See, that's how you need to do it. I remember that much now. So, so here we go. Take 3. And no, I don't feel like sharing. But what I will say is, this probably tastes good on ice cream. No, I'm just shoveling it in. See if it worked this time. Oh, still went flat, but and I probably didn't. But perfect consistency. Oh yeah, there we go. Legend. So I would assume that every time I do it, I would need to use the spray oil, or use a bigger plate and do more at once. Or should I just do a bigger one? Right in the middle. So we'll go to the 30 seconds again, the bigger one. See what happens. But yeah. I reckon I probably needed just a little bit more of this in it. Well, anyway, you get the gist. Yeah. Let's see what happened. Oh, still flattened out. Maybe I do need more icing sugar in it. But we'll have to experiment, won't we? This one's I don't care they're not working. This is yum. I might put all my bits. See, all you need now is how'd you say, cream, whipped cream to go with it. Okay, last attempt. It doesn't work the way we want it to, stiff shit. not too big, I think. Yeah. This has a bit more icing sugar in it. Might stick together a bit more. I'd start with a bit flatter than the others. And if it doesn't work, I've still got a lot of mixture here. I can make something yummy to eat, but I might have to buy some cream or something to go with it so it's not quite as thick, or sweet, I should say. Cream or ice cream, what do you reckon? Anyway, like, view, share, subscribe, that would be massively appreciated. There you go. No, it still falls down on me, eh? Oh well, maybe I made them too big. But give that an extra 10 seconds. Just to get that crispness, so it'd be 40 seconds for the bigger ones. Well, thank you all for listening, and I'll get you later, eh? Ciao.